Oh, ta-na-na, ta-na-na, ta-na-na-na. She's got diamonds on the soles of her shoes. Diamonds on the soles of her shoes. Diamonds on the soles of her shoes. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Zitarango ndi Tariro neGitare. I am Tariro. This is the guitar. In case you missed that one. And when we are together, Tariro neGitare. I'd like to welcome you all to the Love is a Verb concert. And thank you all for coming out. I know it's a bit chilly and you'd rather be at home watching a movie, but thanks so much for being with us today. Man who came and took my hand, showing me the way that love should go, showing me the way we feel it. See, every time. Tonight we are celebrating love, so I hope that we inspire you to make all your relationships better, whether it was with your mom or your dad or your husband or your wife or your friends, yeah? And I hope that there is someone special in your life. I know Pupamawana, yeah? Hanawune wako, yeah. Hanawune wako, Hanawune wako, Tawurana, yeah. Kakuzore la mascara, Bangele seva no sara, Tondi tisa mawara, yeah. Chekutanga iva mukomana anotsvaka Mwari kuti zvinhu zvako zvikufambire. Chechipiri iva mukomana anotsvaka mari kuti mhuri yako idye. Chechitatu, you gotta make time for me, yeah. So I don't look elsewhere. Chechi, you gotta be a man who will strive to be a winner, 'cause that's just what I am. Oh, every girl needs a man, always making a plan, who'll be there when he can. Oh yeah, every girl needs a man, so baby if you can you just be a man? Be a man. to shreds. Them a chop up on your what and left your feet. Them are your friend who you depend on from way back when. But if you get on your back, then you must reach an end. Them man up with him do. Dig up your eye while I'm sticking like glue. I stay spin green balls and flatten for you.
Good evening, everybody, and thank you very much to Tariro neGitare for this platform to allow us, as parents of children with autism and trustees of Pathways Autism Trust, to just present to you what our vision is, which is, as she says, to establish a school for children on the autism spectrum in Zimbabwe. We have put together our vision to establish a school for children with autism because children with autism are being marginalized and excluded from mainstream education in Zimbabwe. And we've seen the need in Zimbabwe to provide a facility that caters for education and therapy for children who are affected. Because some of the children, especially those on the severe end of the spectrum, like my son, are not in school because they can't be accommodated and they can't be catered for because their behavior is so unusual. So we thank Tariro neGitare for donating tickets to Pathways Autism Trust that we've been able to go and sell to raise some funds towards starting to achieve our vision. Just starting, you know. We're going to start this school, and with your help and your support, it's going to be a very big center that will cater for those who have the need at all income levels in this country.
I just want to say something about love. I believe love is giving, love is sharing.
Yeah, I agree with all he said, and we totally enjoyed the show tonight. She's an awesome performer, and she's going to do big things. She's going to put Zim on the map, like, seriously. So thank you, Tati. Keep having these concerts.
Yeah, really grateful.
Yeah.
Keep it Zimbo.
Don't stop your passion. Keep doing what you're doing.
So awesome. So much intense beats.
Don't stop, girl.
We enjoy the show. We love it. You guys are excellent performers. You and the girls just blend and it is beautiful. Well done.
I like the smiles and I like the rapey and the different genres.
Yeah.
You're the best.
Well done.
I think this was a great show. Tari is absolutely superb. She is great. Thank you.
Yeah, she's awesome, right? The show was rocking. It was superb. One of the best shows I've ever won.
Yeah.